Hey, sneekylinux here, just to say the following video is a week old. So you just go back a week and you'll be in the right time. It was a week old, so don't worry about it. Enjoy. Hey, sneekylinux back again today. Today we're back with another one for you. This is Zeven OS 5 beta. Could be a release candidate, but I think you'll find it's a beta. Yes, a beta. Based on Ubuntu stroke Debian. XFCE is its base desktop environment, but it's been fiddled with to look like a BEOS or Haiku. Yeah. Do you know what they are? You should do if you've watched my last video. Okay, so it's got all the Haiku icons and the BEOS icons, and it looks exactly like it. One of the bars has gone away. I've not read into it too much, but I thought I'd just show you on this full install we got here on real hardware. We're not in VirtualBox here, we're in real hardware. So you'll know exactly what it looks like, okay? Right, where's the menu? I hear you cry. Well, it's not down there, and it's not down there, and it's not over there. But if you go up here, where it says Zeven OS, right in the top right-hand corner, you'll see it all here. And if we go about, and you'll see where we are. Now it said it's actually Zeven OS here, as you can see. Is my Intel Pentium 4 3GB, it's here, and the kernel is 3.5.018, and the system we're running is Zeven OS 5 beta. Okay, that's lovely. There's all the guys that do it here, and Les is down the bottom now. You know Les? Yes, you do. He does Haiku stuff as well. Okay, so that's that out of the way. You know all about it. Got Catfish here as well, and under settings you have your settings manager, which I'll open up for you. You can quickly see it's basically XFCE, but looks like BEOS, of course. You've got the usual here, your preferred applications, your screensaver, keyboard, settings editor, and notifications, etc., etc., etc. That's enough of that. Okay, what else we got in settings? Well, as XFCE, should I say, you get accessibility, your flash player settings, because flash is here by default. All your keyboard stuff is also here. Check out your panel, power manager if you've got a laptop, session and startup, software sources, software editor. Yes, it's all here, okay? We've also got log out there, but we're not going to do that. But under accessories, what do we got? Well, it's all XFCE again, isn't it? But you get archive manager, application finder, Catfish, I've already told you before, a character map, so you can do your characters. There we go, look. And you can check it out in different scripts and bold, italics, and whatever you want to. Nice. Oh, by the way, if you right-click the desktop, you can also get the applications from here. So we'll bypass that and we'll go to development, and we've got Genie here for your text editor. There you go. Pops up nice and quick-ish, doesn't it? For this sort of machine. That's all right. I can live with that. We go down to graphics. You get a PDF viewer, Shotwell and Simple Scan, and GIMP as well. Now, bearing in mind it's based on XFCE 4.10, it's GIMP 2.8, okay? But it comes in the 3 window section, not the one that we want. You'd have to alter it yourself if you want it to be the 1 window one, okay? So, goodbye to that. Goodbye. Back to our menu again. Right, Internet. Now, by default, it comes with Firefox. But I had a little bit of problem with Firefox because as soon as I tried to resize it, it almost disappeared and I couldn't get it to resize whatsoever. So I gave up and got rid of it and installed Midori and Chromium. So I'll open up Chromium for you and you'll see what I mean. Doesn't set default, it's all here, and we can search stuff from the main bar. So we go to BBC, we'll go straight there, we'll go to the BBC homepage, see what it's like. It's hunky-dory, it's all there. Comes up quite nice. You can make it full screen if you want, or you can press F11 and get it that way. Or press F11 again, and it goes that way. Super duper, that's what I like. Okay. What else have we got under Internet? Well, as I said, I've already installed Midori as well. It's not so good under Zeven OS for some reason. Midori only suits certain OSs for some reason, and we'll come to another distro a bit later today. But hey, that's me. Claws Mail is your default client here. You can have Thunderbird if you wish. Pigeon is standard. So is RDV, Transmission, and XChat, and you also get VPNC GUI. Can you say it on one go? I can, yeah. Under Office, right, just get Abbey Word and G-Numeric, right. Some people have been moaning about Abbey Word, okay, so we're going to open Abbey Word up and just let you see what we're getting down at, okay. If I go to Help, I'll go About Abbey Word, it's 2.9.2. Now, officially, according to the Abbey Word chaps, this is not the stable version. You need 286 for the stable version. So everybody who's moaning says they can't import different documents from Microsoft or LibreOffice and stuff like that. You need to go back to 286 to make it stable for you. This version is not stable. I repeat, is not stable. Okay? Right, I've got that out of the way. You also get G-Numeric here as well, and Orage for your calendar. A bit of Orage calendaring if you want that. That's lovely. Super duper. And we go down more, and under System, you get About again, a Boot Up Manager, your bulk renamer, which is very handy, and I'll open HTOP up for you, so you can see what's going down under HTOP. Now I'm recording at the same time here, as you can see. I'm still only using 183 megabytes of my RAM, and my CPU is just under a quarter of being used, so I'm impressed. When I'm not recording, it's not doing anything at all, and the RAM usage is around about 101, so that's pretty good. Okay. Next, I hear you cry. We go back to System. You also get your software updater, your startup disk creator, as you would expect, because it's Ubuntu based. Synaptic Package Manager is here. I'm going to open it up for you just to show you one thing. Okay. Now, normally when you install Ubuntu, you would have to install your drivers yourself. Well, I had a bit of problem here, for the simple reason, when you try to install drivers that are not the Nouveau, if I just go to Settings, Repositories, and we'll wait for that to come up a second. When you go here and you try to install, say, an NVIDIA driver or your VirtualBox driver, if you're running it in VirtualBox, you could be waiting some time. What I mean by some time is forever. Yes, forever. It just doesn't want to do it. And also when trying to open up this section in Synaptic, which is a repository section, it takes forever and a day, as you can see now, as I'm still waiting for it. But then again, it is only a beta, okay? It is only a beta. Is it going to come up? I could be waiting some time, do you see what I mean? Okay, we'll go back to the menu and we'll do some more stuff while we're waiting, okay? Back to, see what I mean? That took about 30 seconds, okay? Anyway, go to additional drivers. As you can see, I'm using a Nouveau driver here. But if you try to install an NVIDIA driver or any other driver that you want to, it just doesn't want to play ball. So we have to say no. The man from Del Monte, he say no, okay? We'll get rid of that and give her that. And basically, that's all you get. Oh, apart from the Ubuntu Software Center. It works, it does what it says in the tin, you can install your software. But if, like me, you like doing it from Synaptic, Synaptic is also there for you. Now, because of the few little problems it's had, I wouldn't think of it too highly, but I'm sure they'll get them sorted out before the full release is here. But I'm not going to rate it because it's a beta. But if I was going to rate it, it'd only be 74, I am afraid, because of them few little problems. Apart from that, it's a nice little system to run. Sneaky Linux going out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.